If you're choosing between Alpine Linux and Tiny Core Linux, watch this before you choose, because these distros may both be lightweight, but they're built for very different users. Alpine Linux is designed to be small, secure, and practical. It uses Muscle and BusyBox to keep resource usage low, but still includes a real package manager, active repositories, and enough software to run servers, containers, desktops, and embedded systems. That's why it's widely used in Docker containers and self-hosted environments. But here's the catch: some software expects glibc, so compatibility can occasionally be more complicated than on mainstream Linux distributions. Tiny Core Linux takes minimalism to the extreme. The base system is incredibly small, often measured in just a few megabytes. It can run on ancient hardware that many modern operating systems have completely abandoned. The downside is that you'll spend more time configuring and building your environment. Many conveniences you expect from a modern Linux distro simply aren't included by default. So which one should you choose? Choose Alpine Linux if you want a lightweight distro that's still practical for servers, containers, and daily use. Choose Tiny Core Linux if you want the smallest possible Linux system and don't mind doing extra configuration. Bottom line: Tiny Core Linux is smaller. But Alpine Linux is usually the better distro overall because it delivers most of the performance benefits of an ultra-lightweight system while remaining practical enough for real-world use. Unless you're reviving extremely old hardware or specifically want the tiniest Linux distribution possible, Alpine is the safer choice for most users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.